Welcome back, everybody. This is Vinny Armbar, and it is spring storm season, soon to be summer construction season. And I want to go over how to do a simple repair using our product, the original Armbar. You can go over the features here. It has the chisel tip like that. I'm sure you can see that. So that cuts through the underneath of the shingle tabs and lifts your shingle without causing too much damage. You just run it down the side. That one's already been ripped up, and then you can take it and get the nail heads that are lodged in it and twist it a little bit with your hand. Twist it low. It's like arm wrestling, that's why it's called the Armbar. And then if it's hidden and buried, you can grab it with the back, and you can use the actual bar itself to follow the nail, and it'll feed itself right into the pocket there. And you just pull it out. There you go. And you can pull them either way. You could just twist like this if it's a visible nail, like that. So what I want to do is clean everything up first. If you're a homeowner and you don't want to spend the money trying to get someone to actually come out, we're going to remove that one too, and this one. You don't want to spend the money to have someone come out and do the repair. Then you can purchase these. My Shopify got shut down, but I'm about to get it back up just for the season, if nothing else. You get all your nails out. But if you wanted to purchase one right now, you can contact me directly at, I think it's Vinny, V-I-N-N-I-E, Armbar at gmail.com. Stay tuned. We're going to do a bunch of series this summer. So if you have home repairs that you need to get done and you feel like taking it on yourself, we have the tool for you. Thanks for watching.